This is the Meltio metal 3D printing engine for additive and hybrid manufacturing. The engine uses Meltio's patented LMD technology found in the M450 3D printer. We designed this product for hassle-free implementation in milling machines and robotic systems. There are no inherent size constraints for metal 3D printing because the working envelope is only limited by the CNC or robotic system design. The Meltio engine provides a high-performance, low-cost, scalable metal additive manufacturing solution. The engine can be used to retrofit tooling machines such as CNCs, as well as robotics and gantry systems, so it's highly flexible and versatile. Like all Meltio metal printing systems, the engine offers the unique Meltio wire plus powder technology. Applications include 3D printing of metal parts, repairing metal parts, augmentation of traditional parts, cladding, and much more.